Hey guys, it's Shay. So, it's been a minute, 5 months to be exact, since I have even thought about YouTube. A lot has happened since I did my Pride makeup. I started my senior year of college, which has drained me mentally, emotionally, and physically. I started work at a haunted house doing SFX makeup for them, which was a very tough 7 weeks since it was an hour and a half away from my house. But it was very rewarding. Very rewarding. That's a tongue twister. Or maybe it's not, and I just can't speak. I couldn't tell you. And now that that's over, and it's Thanksgiving break, so I actually have 2 seconds to maybe do makeup creatively on my own. So that's what I'm gonna do today. And yeah. Oh, I also have a fun opportunity. I am being featured in a gallery up in Massachusetts, or down in Massachusetts, or east in Massachusetts, depending on where you are. I don't know. For me, it's up. I am a featured makeup artist in their gallery, so I will have pictures of my work up there, and I'm also doing a live performance, which is pretty cool. And it's a lot of rambling that I'm doing, and nobody cares. So, today I am going to be doing makeup. What, you ask? Not quite sure. Probably gonna throw some eyes on my face. That's about as far as I've thought out. I just want more eyes on my face. I'm rambling. This has been 6 minutes. Probably not 6 minutes that I'm editing, that people are watching, but I've been talking for 6 minutes and my eye is super itchy, which is not good if I'm going to be doing makeup. Okay. Alright. As always, hope you enjoy the video. I put links to my Instagram down below, and maybe my Twitter. I don't really use Twitter. I use Twitter, but I don't really post my face there. Might change that, I don't know. But yeah, I will be posting my Instagram down below if you would like to follow me. Most of you already do, because you're cool. Yeah. I need to stop rambling. Now listen here, folks. I decided I wanted to put eyes maybe on my body. So you have to stare at my white, pasty white shoulders for a good chunk of the video. And I'm sorry. I don't like looking at them either. But that's where we're at. Look at my fucking eye, dude. Can we not? I'm trying to do makeup right now. How many times I have tried to block out my eyebrows. Now you must be thinking, Shay, what are you talking about? You don't have eyebrows. Listen, I don't. I have very little amount of eyebrow. But what I do have of eyebrow is very thick, and it does not like to be contained. So instead of doing the old rubby trick, I just paste glue on my eyebrow. Seems to work enough. In my other tutorials, you have seen that I have used other methods, like I have attempted to use tissue paper. That was kind of a hot mess for my Sarokichi mask. Right, Sarokichi, that's how you pronounce that. Why do I do makeup? Oh my god. I will say, depending on how this video goes. Oh, why am I leaning in? I can zoom in. Stupid. I will say that I have never actually made a video where I talk through what I'm doing, so this is the first of those. So we'll see how that goes. You know, I'm a very introverted person. It's hard for me to put myself out there when it comes into social situations, and you know, YouTube is a very kind of like social platform. Didn't really put myself out there and show the internet my personality. Oh, that's something. So it's not great. You can see those hairs right there. I might try and fix those up. But this side is smooth enough where I can put some paint over it and I'll be fine. If I cared, if I were wearing this look out, I would do another coat over it, but it's late. And the final pics, I'm gonna smooth out my eyebrows in post a little bit just to get rid of whatever lingering hairs are there, so it's not that big of a deal. I'm playing everything by ear, like I have no idea what I'm gonna do for this look, and that's kind of a cool thing in and of itself. Just kind of going with the flow, seeing how it turns out. I'm gonna make sure it turns out decent enough for me to be able to post this video, or else it's just a waste of my time. I could be studying for finals, but I'm not, because I procrastinate. Anyway, I have put foundation on my face, and I have contoured and put blush on and highlighter. I am going to start sketching out where I want my eyes. Okay, we can move on now. What I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be sketching out the rough placement of where I want my eyes with a light nude color eyeshadow. So I tend to use this kind of light shade because it's close-ish to, it's not really that close to my skin color, but it's not dark enough where it's so obvious when I sketch it out, because if I make a mistake, I need it to be easy to cover up. And that way when I put the white over it for the eyes, and when I do line it, when I do like the lashes and stuff, it gets covered pretty easily.